Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm back after a very long time. Seems like I say that every video, so I don't think it's going to change, but I have another new car. It's a 2001 Chevy Silverado. Of course, it's the 6.6 Duramax. This one's got some work done to it. Let me go ahead and show it to you. So this is the truck. It's a extended cab short bed. It's not lifted, level, or anything. If anything, I'm going to reverse level it and drop the back of it. Because I think this current fitment, even though the bumper's a little jank, I think it looks amazing. You know, that is a really clean looking truck to me. So I think I'm going to keep the fitment pretty close to what it is now. Maybe just drop the back, maybe even not bother with it because I don't really care that much. But let's talk about what's done to it. As I mentioned, it's an 01, so it's got the LB766. Sorry, I'm not a Chevy guy, so I don't really know much about their diesel engines. But it's got the LB766, I'm pretty sure, LBZ, LB7, I don't know, LBM, LMLs, they got so many goddamn nicknames for them. I'm pretty sure it's the LBZ though. This one has a little bit of work done to it. Of course, it's deleted. It's got EFI Live. I just put this on, actually. It's S&B intake. It's got a bigger, I can't remember the brand of the turbo, but it's got a bigger turbo. It's head studs. It's got a big steering kit, so like all the control arms and everything have been upgraded in there. Of course, it has fast fuel system sticking out right there. The truck has stock flow injectors currently. It used to have 30 over injectors. Those injectors went out, and then the previous owner, which was actually my boss, just put the stock flows back in and thought he was just gonna kind of post it up on Craigslist, but I ended up buying it from him. So as well as that, supposedly it's not on its original engine. Supposedly this is a newer engine. The chassis has 340,000 miles on the odometer, but it was stolen at some point, and it was believed that the engine was what was stolen out of it. So it's got a newer LB7 of some kind. Who knows how many miles are on it, but to run a stout, I've put, since I've owned it, in 2.5 weeks, probably 3,000 miles on it, and it's been fine. No hiccups, no nothing. I love the truck. It sounds amazing. I think it looks really, really clean. Like Curtis, which was my boss who owned it before me, picked out the wheels and tires. It's a great looking truck, and he, just a bunch of like livability stuff. Put a head unit in it and a little baby sub, and just a bunch of nice stuff. So it's actually a really clean truck, and it runs great. So yeah, I mean, here's the stout unit. Let's do a quick walk around of it, I guess. It's got the newer tow mirrors or whatever from like an 08. It's got a dual tip Duramax exhaust, says Duramax right on it, and that's how you know it's fucking fast. But yeah, I mean, there's not really a whole lot done to it other than that I can think of. Obviously that's a lot. Big turbo, head studs, EFI Live, fast fuel system, the wheels, tires. It's a nice little clean build. Show you the inside. It's an LS trim level, so it's not super fancy, but it's pretty nice in here. I've got my edge monitor sitting over there in the window. Back seat, just a little extended cab. Let me turn it on. That way you guys can hear it. Don't mind the power stroke key tag. It's on the keychains. I guess I might as well rev it a little bit too. There's that. Obviously you can tell she's emissions compliant. But yeah, it's like I said, just stock flow injectors, so it doesn't roll a whole lot, but it's pretty neat. I actually really like it. So let me do some B-roll for you guys, and that'll most likely conclude the video. But other than that, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll try and stay somewhat consistent, but probably won't. So love y'all. See you next time. anyways, y'all, that is the new truck. Like I said, I'll try and make some more videos on it, see what I can do to it, maybe make it a little faster. But regardless, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch you around next time.